In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not updating. This is a common issue many users face, and understanding how to resolve it can enhance your browsing experience. Safari is a key application for browsing on your iPhone. It's important to keep it updated to enjoy the latest features and security improvements. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your Safari is running smoothly. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You will find the Settings icon on your home screen, resembling a gear. Tapping this icon opens a menu with various options to customize your device. This is where you can manage everything from Wi-Fi settings to notifications. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with the Settings app can save you time in the future. Once you have the Settings app open, we can proceed to the next step. Next, tap on General, then select Software Update. This section is crucial because it shows you the current version of iOS your iPhone is running. It also informs you if any updates are available. Regularly checking for updates is essential, as these updates often include important security patches and new features. You'll see a screen that either indicates you are up to date or provides options for updating. This step is vital as it ensures that your device, including Safari, is equipped with the latest enhancements. If an iOS update is available, tap Update Now or download and install. This will start the process of downloading the update. Depending on your connection speed, this may take some time. It's important to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during this process to avoid interruptions. You might see a progress bar indicating how far along the download is. This step is significant because it allows you to access the latest version of Safari, along with other system improvements. After the download completes, follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the update to finish. Your iPhone will restart automatically during this process. The restart is necessary as it applies all the changes made during the update. Once your device is back on, Safari will be updated as part of the overall iOS update. This makes sure your browsing experience is smooth and secure with the latest features. Now, if no update is available, let's troubleshoot further. Start by restarting your iPhone. This simple action can resolve many issues. To restart, press and hold the power button until you see the slider, then slide to power off. Once it is off, turn it back on by pressing the power button again. A restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh your device's performance. This is a quick and effective solution that often solves minor problems. Next, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough available storage. An unstable connection can prevent updates from downloading correctly. You can check your storage by going to Settings, then General, and selecting iPhone Storage. Ensuring you have sufficient space is crucial for updates. If your storage is low, consider deleting unnecessary apps or files. This step is important because it ensures that your device can handle the update process smoothly. After confirming your connection and storage, try checking Settings, General, and Software Update again. This helps to ensure that you are not missing any updates that may have become available. If your iPhone is already running the latest version of iOS compatible with your model, you are using the newest version of Safari that your device supports. This is reassuring as it means you're up to date with what your device can offer. Lastly, remember that Safari does not appear in the App Store because it is a built-in Apple app. If Safari isn't functioning properly after updating iOS, consider restarting your iPhone again. You can also clear Safari's history and website data through Settings, Safari, and then choosing Clear History and Website Data. If issues persist, contacting Apple support may be necessary. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Following these steps will help you maintain an efficient and updated Safari experience.